Alright, so I know that you all want hard-hitting facts, and this is what's going on this week. Alright, I've had a number of people call me and ask me, hey Sean, I want to buy a house for $60,000, or I've got a client that wants to buy for $60,000. They're going to use it as an investment property. Can you get them the financing? And my question to them keeps being this. Are you moving into the property, or are you using it as an investment? Because there's two different things going on. On these lower loan amounts, you have a thing called high cost. And when you hit high cost, it means that your closing costs are greater than or a bigger percentage of your closing costs. Okay, so you have a $60,000 loan amount, and let's say that you have your points, you have your appraisal fee, credit reporting fee, processing, underwriting, escrow, title, and all those things add up. And if they go over 5% of your loan amount, you're basically dead in the water. Now, FHA and primary residence loans allow you to use up to 6% of your purchase price to ask for a closing cost concession. Now, that is completely different, 100% different than asking for an investor property. If you're going to rent the property out, you're going to have to put 20 to 25% down, and Fannie and Freddie are actually going to limit you at a 2% seller contribution. That means you can only get 2% of your closing costs contributed to the seller, or from the seller to the buyer. Now, when you have these lower loan amounts on investment properties, you're going to run into this issue of the high cost. So, talk to your lender, find out if you think that's going to be a problem, but we can do it for FHA loans. I did one for $50,000 with a 6% concession, but there are certain things that are going on there that might affect your deal, and this is Sean LaRue Home Loans, making sure that you have the right information.